What are the safest cars that you can buy for 2025? That's what we're going to find out. Welcome to Car Help Corner, where we help you, the consumer, master the process of car buying and car ownership. The Insurance Institute for Highway Safety, otherwise known as the IIHS, recently released their list of the safest new vehicles of the year. And for those who don't know, the IIHS is really the gold standard when it comes to vehicle safety ratings, just ahead of NHTSA and Euro NCAP. They are constantly improving their safety ratings and making their testing harder and harder every single year, which is why this year, only 48 new vehicles were awarded the top safety pick, down from 71 vehicles from last year. To get the top safety pick and top safety pick plus awards, vehicles have to perform well in three major areas: crashworthiness, which is how well the vehicle protects its occupants in the event of an accident, and crash avoidance and mitigation, which is how well the technology works to prevent accidents from happening in the first place. IIHS also evaluates vehicle safety belts and child restraints. So let's find out which vehicles earn the top safety pick awards in each major category and which vehicle also received the highest safety rating of all. Let's begin with compact cars. When it comes to small cars, there were actually only 3 vehicles which received the top safety pick awards. The first of those is the Honda Civic, both the Civic sedan and hatchback, which were rated a top safety pick plus. The next vehicle which won a top safety pick award is the Acura Integra, which makes sense given that the Integra is basically mechanically identical to the Honda Civic. Both vehicles are basically the same, more or less different just in terms of design and interiors. And then the final small car which won the top safety pick award, or top safety pick plus, was the Mazda 3, both the Mazda 3 hatchback and sedan, which was actually the safest car overall in the small vehicle category, which is great to see. Many viewers know that a few years ago I bought a Mazda 3, and it really is one of my favorite small cars if you're looking for style, sportiness, excellent reliability, and of course, safety. And really the same could be said for all cars in this category. The Civic, the Integra, the Mazda 3, all are very well made, excellent cars to purchase. So the fact that they're also top safety picks, well, that's just a really nice perk. The next vehicle category that we have are mid-size cars, and for this category there were actually only 2 vehicles that were awarded the top safety pick award. The first of those is the Honda Accord, which earned the top safety pick plus. And then the next car is the Toyota Camry, which again also earned the top safety pick plus award and was rated the safest car overall in the mid-size car category. Again, both the Accord and Camry are excellent, highly recommended cars. In terms of their build quality, reliability, and value, both are excellent choices to go for. So seeing that both have excellent safety ratings is a great thing to see. And for the next category, let's take a look at one of the most popular one these days, which of course is small SUVs. There were quite a few small SUVs that were rated a top safety pick. The Subaru Forester received the top safety pick award, and then there were several others which received the even better top safety pick plus. These include the Mazda CX-30 and Mazda CX-50, the Hyundai Kona and Hyundai Tucson, and the Honda HR-V. And out of all of these vehicles, it was actually the Mazda CX-30 which received the highest safety rating of all, making it the safest small SUV of 2025. Interestingly, there were a few small SUVs that were excluded from the list this year, including both the Toyotas, the Toyota Corolla Cross and Toyota RAV4, and the Subaru Crosstrek, which were not awarded this year. And now let's take a look at the next vehicle category, which is mid-sized SUVs. For this category, again, there were quite a few winners. The Subaru Ascent, the Honda Pilot, the GMC Acadia, and Chevy Traverse all earned the top safety pick award. And for the higher top safety pick plus award, we have the Buick Enclave, the Hyundai Santa Fe, the Kia Telluride, the Mazda CX-70 and Mazda CX-90, and the Nissan Pathfinder. And out of all of these mid-sized SUVs, it was actually the Kia Telluride which received the highest safety rating overall. Certainly a solid choice, and it was great to see some of my other highly recommended mid-sized SUVs, including the Mazda CX-70 and CX-90 and the Honda Pilot. But again, it is worth mentioning which SUVs were not included and did not receive awards this year. These include the Hyundai Palisade, the Toyota Highlander, and the Toyota Grand Highlander, which were not awarded. And for the next vehicle category, let's take a look at luxury SUVs. Now, when it comes to safety, most people tend to think of Volvo as being one of the safest car companies out there, which is a reputation that they have enjoyed for many years. However, there was actually only one Volvo model which received a top safety pick award, and that is the Volvo XC90. And it is far from the only one. Other luxury SUVs which were rated a top safety pick include the Lexus NX, the Infiniti QX60, and the Acura MDX. And when it comes to the top safety pick plus award, the vehicles that received this award include the Genesis GV80 and GV70, the BMW X5, the Lincoln Nautilus, and the Mercedes GLC and GLE. So yes, Volvo still makes incredibly safe vehicles, but it's far from the only one. And when it comes to the luxury vehicle which had the highest overall safety rating, well, interestingly enough, that would be the Lincoln Nautilus, which is an all-new design, new vehicle for 2024, and apparently happens to be one of the safest luxury SUVs on the market right now. Another vehicle category which had quite a few winners which received the top safety pick award is the electric vehicle category. Electric vehicles which were rated a top safety pick plus include the Hyundai Ioniq 5 and the Ioniq 6, the Genesis GV60 and Subaru Solterra, the Ford Mustang Mach-E, a personal favorite of mine, the Genesis GV70 electric, the Audi Q6 e-tron, the Rivian R1T and Rivian R1S, and the Kia EV9, which received the highest safety rating overall in the electric vehicle category. And then on the flip side, there were a few vehicle categories which did not do very well and did not have a single winner this year, or only one winner. These include the minivan category, which did not have a single vehicle receiving a top safety pick award this year. Another vehicle category that was a major disappointment is the pickup truck category. No real surprise, considering that trucks have never often received high safety ratings. In fact, the only truck to receive a top safety pick award this year is the Toyota Tundra. So, some interesting results, and which car brand overall received the most amount of awards and is considered the safest car brand of 2025? Well, that would be Mazda. Mazda won every major category, including small cars, small SUVs, and mid-sized SUVs. Mazda has become well known for its quality, reliability, and excellent value, offering a sporty, premium design cars for an affordable price. But safety really needs to get added to its list of talents because it has been a safety leader in the industry for a few years straight now. The next most highly awarded car brand was Hyundai, which earned 5 awards. Hyundai's most popular models, including the Kona, the Tucson, and Santa Fe, all received awards this year, which is impressive. Another impressive takeaway is just how many EVs were awarded this year. So if you're considering an EV for your next vehicle, there are now plenty of top-rated models for safety. Another major takeaway that's important to understand is that just because a vehicle did not receive a top safety pick award does not mean that it is not a safe vehicle. As mentioned earlier, these safety ratings are made tougher and tougher every single year. So just because a vehicle that was considered a top safety pick just 1 or 2 years ago no longer made the cut does not mean that it is not a safe vehicle. Just look at it as more of a nice bonus or a nice perk if a vehicle that you like has been awarded. So I want to know, how important are these safety ratings to you? Would you consider them being a deal breaker when purchasing a vehicle, and would you consider buying a vehicle just because it does not have a top safety award? Let me know in the comments. And if you enjoyed this video, make sure to like and subscribe. You can also take a look at my other videos by clicking the links up in the corner. And if you are planning to purchase a vehicle and you live in Ontario, know that OMVIC is the vehicle sales regulator that's responsible for administering and enforcing the rules that dealerships must follow. To learn more about your consumer protection rights, just visit omvic.ca. And if you need any additional car buying advice, recommendations, or help with getting a great deal on your next new car purchase, make sure to visit carhelpcan.com. Thanks so much for watching, and see you next time.